Have a look. Here you can see the casino dice. The big dice. You can see 9/16 dice. You can see a half-inch dice. You can see 5/8" dice. You can see backgammon dice, barwood dice, 7-Eleven dice, CeeLo dice, all kind of transparent, translucent dice, with or without serial number, with or without logo. Now we will test the most common game here in Europe, in Romania, and in this case it's barwood with 2 dice. So here you can see this kind of dice, yes, the casino dice, or this dice, 16mm dice, the 5/8" dice, is for barwood. So we will take 2 dice, let's say this, okay, and we will make 6/6, 6/5, 5/5, means winning. Come closer to see the dots and to see the dice aspects and to see that it's normal dice. Your dice from your hand, we put system in your dice to work the entire craps table, in this case the entire tray, because this is like a tray, barwood tray. People use it in Germany, in Albania, Montenegro, Serbia, also in America. People use this kind of tray to put drinks, to put dice, to put money, to put everything around. And now you will see these 2 dice, we will press winning. 6/6, 6/5, 5/5. Have a look. The entire table is a live area. Have a look. Winning. Go. 5/5. Now we will collect the dice and we will make one more time winning. Go over there. 6/5. Have a look how beautiful the dice land, always on correct faces. Winning 6/6, 6/5, 5/5, and losing 1/1 to 2/1. And now let's making losing. 1/1, or how they say in America, ace. In 7-Eleven or in CeeLo. But here we have 1/1 because this is barwood, European game. And one more time, losing, and then I will explain you a magic trick for this tray. Have a look. Deuce. In this case we have 2/2. 2/2, it's losing in barwood. This kind of tray that you see here, it's a live area, so it doesn't matter who dropped the dice and how they drop. With this remote control, I activate the entire tray, so if John and Mike play, and they choose some dice from here, I decide, I press A, John lose, or I press B, Mike win, and reverse. I can choose who win, who lose without touching the dice. So if you are a house owner, we can build for you deuce table, system table, remote control dice table, crooked table, a rigged table, to be able to control the entire table without touching the dice. One more time, we will take other dice from the side. We can take this casino dice, or we can take these dice. Let's take these dice, because this is the most common dice in Germany for playing barwood. The solid dice, 5/8" dice, and we will take these dice, and I want to show you that the dice make reaction and working the entire table. So have a look. From here we will make winning. Have a look how beautiful it's coming, hitting 2 times the wall. 5/5. Never have mistakes, never ever. We don't have mistakes. These products are built here in Bucharest, Romania, and we ship in the entire world. In Germany, in Montenegro, Serbia, Albania, and so on. Switzerland. A means losing. Have a look. How beautiful. 1/4. This is very good. 1 and 4. So I will repeat the shot one more time to make 1/1, 2/2, 2/1. To have the results, one more time A, and have a look. Voila, 2/1. How you can lose money with this system? It's impossible to lose money. So this is a live area. We are speaking about 80 centimeters by 2 meters long. This live tray. and you can play any game you want. CeeLo with 3 dice, 7-Eleven with 2 dice, or Barbud with 2 dice. We make also backgammon system and so on. So that's the solution. Build it in Romania and we export in Europe and in United States of America. That's all.